In this video, I'll show you step by step how to open Instagram in the Chrome browser. Whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or even a Chromebook, this guide will help you access Instagram quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome browser on your device. If you don't have Chrome installed, you can download it from the official website. Once Chrome is open, look for the address bar at the top of the screen. In the address bar, type instagram.com and press enter. Alternatively, you can search for Instagram in the search engine and click on the official Instagram website link from the search results. Step 3. Once the Instagram homepage loads, you'll see the login section. Here, enter your phone number, username, or email address in the first field. Then type your password in the next field. Step 4. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Password link below the login button. Follow the instructions to reset or recover your password. If you're already logged into Facebook on your browser, you can also choose the Login with Facebook option for quick access. Step 5. After entering your login details, click the Login button. Or if you don't have an account, click the Sign Up button, enter your details, and then hit Sign Up. If your information is correct, you'll be redirected to your Instagram account, where you can start browsing, posting, or interacting with your friends and followers. And that's it. You've successfully opened Instagram in the Chrome browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.